Hi, I just wanted to give you a quick announcement on some of the upcoming demonstrations that we're going to be having in August. If you're not familiar with me, I'm Amanda Pritchard, and I have the privilege of serving the Office of Information Technology in their events and outreach. I have been hosting weekly sessions on different tips and tricks in teams throughout this summer, and we're continuing to offer that service throughout August. So I wanted to give you a quick glimpse into some of the upcoming sessions that you could attend to help expand your knowledge and provide you with the latest information that we have in Teams. So the first class, Teams Telephony, is going to be a repeat of a session that we had previously. Teams telephony is going to be our new phone systems on campus when we return. And for those of us that already are privileged enough to have the headsets, we'll be talking a little bit about the different features and functionalities of each of those headsets, as well as how we're migrating the rollover onto campus. On August 14th, we're going to be doing a session on Microsoft Stream. If you've attended any of these previous sessions, you're probably already wondering how I got my picture up in the corner as opposed to being beside my slides. We're going to be giving you insight into how to record, upload, and have live transcription offered, which is all available in Microsoft Stream, but that is a great tool for you to share your videos and your content coming up this fall. The next session on August 21st is my favorite session. We are getting the best and the brightest teams, rock stars, to come and share information with you and have an interaction so that you can submit your questions, your comments, and your feedback on Teams and be able to try to stump our top trainers. They're going to be sharing with you some of the features that seem to be hidden or are a little bit less familiar. So that'll be on August 21st. And finally, our final session will be on August 28th. That's going to be a session on Microsoft Forms. So if you're looking for a way to personalize a survey, to create a registration form or a poll, Microsoft Forms is very compatible with doing all of those things. You can make it a customized form and you can download and export that data after creating that form. So we're going to go into an expansive look at Microsoft Forms and share with you how that tool can better support you coming up this fall. All of these classes are going to be listed on our training site. It's at utdallas.edu/OIT/O365/training. And that link is included in the email as well as on this slide in case you need it as a reference. One final thing to note, I did want to draw your attention to August 13th. OIT is hosting its forum. This will all be held virtually, and it's an opportunity for all of the teams in the Office of Information Technology to share with you updates on the latest technology, the different migrations and upgrades that we're bringing to campus, as well as the ways that we can constantly work to support our campus community. I hope that you'll look at joining us for one or two or all of these sessions, and I look forward to seeing you at some of the upcoming Teams tips. Thank you.